Hey. I like this place. Our money, Africa money, nyama, wana money, Africa money, oja. Mr. Things are happening. I'm very sure yesterday you saw the charge sheets. Right now, the NSS boss and the former NSS boss and the former NSS deputy. I'm talking about Madam Gifty Oware, Mensah, and also Osei, Antwi, Assibey. These people have been charged with 1, stealing, 2, willfully causing financial loss to the state, 3, money laundering, and a lot of other charges. Now, the Attorney General gave us a whole story of this entire NSS scandal, and I'm coming to give you the full gist. I know I've not done a video about this. I'm coming to give you the full gist. What happened, how they did it according to the Attorney General, and why they are being charged and they are being sent to court right now. I have the full gist for you.
I'm the Headless YouTuber, there's Headless Reactions. Alatiare, Yanko!
So you can see all these phones right here have been discounted prices up to 25%. It's the Samsung week sales, and this is happening from now till 19th of October. You can get your favorite Samsung Galaxy S25, your Z Flip 7 and the Fold 7, also the Galaxy 8 Watch series, all at reduced prices. Go to www.samsung.com, or you can go to any Samsung shop and go and get yours now at a reduced price up to 25%. Now let's go into the gist. A couple of months ago, the Attorney General of Ghana, Dr. Dominic Ayine, he updated Ghanaians on the NSS scandal that has gone on. And according to him, from 2017 to 2024, the NSS was supposed to pay 583,543 people. These are the number of people that the NSS was supposed to pay. 583,543 people. However, the NSS paid 650,165 people. That means an excess of 63,672 ghost names in there. Some of them are old men. Some of them are babies. Some people have not yet been born. Some people are dead. Ghost names, 63,672 people. And the main face of this whole thing that has been going on is Madam Gifty Oware Mensah. She was the deputy director of the NSS. Now she has a boss. Her boss is Mr. Antwi or Assibey. He is the boss. And then Madam Gifty Oware Mensah is the deputy. So if deputy is going through something like this, you have to know that's the boss to something. So right now, according to this, you can see it over here. Attorney General charges Gifty Oware Mensah and Osei Antwi Assibey over their alleged roles in willfully causing financial loss to the state to the tune of 38 million and 500 million Ghana cedis respectively. So Gifty Oware Mensah 38 million, her boss 500 million. Now this is the breakdown of how the whole thing happened. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. There's a system. It's not like the boss just gets up and say pay these people. No, there's a system of how things run. First of all, the list of approved NSS payments, all those things, it goes through a couple of people. One of them is Mr. Eric Nyako. Mr. Eric Nyako has worked from 2017 to 2024 at the NSA. Also, Mr. Idris Ibn Abubakar. He worked from April 2024 to December 2024. We also have Honorable Mustafa Yusuf, and he is the former Minister of Youth and Sports. We also have Madam Gifty Oware Mensah. She was the Deputy Director of the NSS. And then the boss, Mr. Osei Antwi Assibey, he is the director himself, or he was the director himself of the NSS. But it's the last two that I mentioned, Mr. Antwi Assibey and also Madam Gifty Oware Mensah. They are the people that the whole thing is about right now. Now let's get into it. And everything I'm saying is what the Attorney General presented to the public. Now this is how, according to the Attorney General, the misappropriation of funds and the things happened. You know, NSS, they did some hire purchase things. I even took some, I took some, fridge and something. Yes, a lot of people have done hire purchase. Now, what they do is, if your NSS is, let's say, 599 or whatever they are, 700 cedis or whatever they are charging now or they are giving now, you can buy certain things on hire purchase, and they would deduct that money. 10% of that money over 10 months, they will deduct it from your pay before your pay even gets to you. So a lot of companies came on board. Hisense came on board. A lot of companies came on board. Oh, we are giving out this. If you need television, you need this, you need this, you need this. A lot of companies came on board. Now, while the hire purchase things were happening, while the legit companies were coming on board, the illegal ones too were entering, and that was how they took the money. Illegal vendors, people who were not even giving anything on hire purchase, they were added to the list of the people giving the hire purchase. And these people will go and say that, okay, these are the names of people who have taken hire purchase from us. And they will present it to the NSS, and then they will fast track it, and then the money will be sent. Now, there's a man called Abraham Gazi. Just pay attention to that name. That name will come up because the Attorney General spoke about him. Another man called Mr. Oting and another man called Mr. Nyako. These people, according to the Attorney General, they presented cash to the NSS boss himself because they were direct beneficiaries to the point where they were even the money that they will get from the whole thing, they were presenting some of them in cash to the NSS boss, Mr. Assibey, and also sometimes they transfer money to his Eastwich account.
2022-2023 service year, a total of 8,256,000 Ghana cedis was deposited into an Eastwich account numbered 1177042059. Which is registered in the name of suspect Osei Assibey. Investigations show that he personally received these funds during a search at his residence. The aforementioned.
Now, you know, NSS too, they use Eastwich to pay and things. So yes, they were transferring money as much as 8.2 million Ghana cedis to his Eastwich account. And that Eastwich account, the day they went to his house to go and raid his house and go and search the things, they saw the Eastwich card that the money was transferred into. They saw the card in his house. 8.2 million was transferred into Mr. Assibey's account, and that card was found in his house. Now, Madam Gifty Oware Mensah, what did she do? 9,934 people out of the 63,672 ghost names. 9,934 names were added to the list by her. And what she did was that she formed a company. There was this company called Blocks of Life. It's even in the charge sheets. Blocks of Life. That was the company that she formed, Blocks of Life Consult. But she wasn't the face of the company. If you go to the company, the people that are the face of the company, Mr. Osei Mintah, and also her husband, Mr. Peter Mensah, lawyer. These two people were the ones in, like, they are, if you go to the company website and things, you see them over there. Mr. Lawyer Peter Mensah, and also I could see Ofori Minta. These people were the ones that the company belonged to on paper. So what Madam Gifty Oware did was that they went to ADB. They said,
please, we want a loan because a lot of NSS workers are coming to us to come and take a hire purchase, and when they come, the hire purchase there, when they take it, NSS will pay us. So you give us loan, we can pay you.
And they asked them that, okay, we should give you loan. What's up? How much do you need? They say, oh, if you give us, some 30 million Ghana cedis, it's not anything. Last, and ADB gave them 31 million Ghana cedis. And they gave it to them because they could provide 9,934 people that they said that they are presenting hire purchase things to. Meanwhile, so ADB gave them 31 million Ghana cedis loan.
Gifty Oware Mensah created and executed a meticulously detailed plan using NSP national service personnel allowances as security to obtain a loan of 30,698,218 cedis, 69 pesos, from the Agricultural Development Bank, ADB, at an interest rate of 23%. She achieved these results by using other people's information to register a company called Blocks of Life Consult without their knowledge or permission. Subsequently, she presented Blocks of Life Consult through a middleman in the person of Maxwell Akwesi Ofori-Mintah to an official of the Agricultural Development Bank, and enlisting her husband, Mr. Peter Mensah, a lawyer, to act as one of the directors or representative of the said company.
Now, when the loan came, it went into the account of Blocks of Life Consult. But if you go and check the Blocks of Life Consult, aside Mr. Akwesi Ofori-Mintah and also lawyer Peter Mensah, who are the bosses, if you go and check the board people, you will see Madam Gifty Oware Mensah there as the board. She's part of the board. You get? So that's indirectly. However, there are other companies that this money, 31 million, when it hits the main account, they spread it to 4 different accounts. This one too, the Attorney General said it. There's a company called Amacon, another company called Scaffold. Now, these 2 companies, Amacon and Scaffold, they are owned by Abraham Gazi.
Investigation further established that after ADB transferred the funds into the account of the company, she subsequently transferred the funds into 4 different company accounts with the names of Amiacom, Scaffold, Osei, and Aristo Logistics and Trading. It was further established that suspect Gifty is a director of Amiacom, and Scaffold Company Limited belongs to suspect Abraham Gazi.
Now, the third company, which is Osei International, that company, if you go and check, it is owned by Akwesi Ofori-Mintah. And this man, Akwesi Ofori-Mintah, he is also one of the owners of the Blocks of Life Consult. You get? Now, the fourth company is Aristo Logistics. So when the 31 million Ghana cedis from ADB hit the account of Blocks of Life, it was sent to 4 companies: Amacon, Scaffold, Osei International, and also Aristo Logistics. Now, this is how they sent the money. Between March 2023 and May 2024, 22.925 million, that's 22,925,000 Ghana cedis plus, was sent to Amacon. Also, 1 million Ghana cedis was sent to Scaffold. And then 1.5 million Ghana cedis, that's 1,572,000 Ghana cedis, was sent to Osei International. And then 5.2 million Ghana cedis was sent to Aristo Logistics.
Between 10 March 2023 and 24 May 2024, suspect Gifty transferred 22,925,518 Ghana cedis and 69 pesos to Amiacom, 1 million Ghana cedis to Scaffold, 1,572,000 Ghana cedis to Osei, and 5,200,000 Ghana cedis to Aristo Logistics and Trading. We have this on record.
Now, in all this, the 31 million Ghana cedis that ADB sent, interest is on it too. And that interest too has not been paid, and that one too is part of this whole charge that they are giving them. So right now, yesterday, 13th October 2025, that was when the charge sheet came. That's it over here. The Republic versus Osei Assibey Antwi, count 1, causing financial loss to the Republic contrary to section 179A of the Criminal Offences Act 1960. And this one, they are saying that Osei Assibey Antwi, former executive director of the National Service Authority between August 2021 and February 2025, willfully caused financial loss of 500,861,744 Ghana cedis and 2 pesos belonging to the National Service Authority by authorizing payments of allowances to an excess of 60,000 non-existent, that's ghost names. That one is the boss himself. He was also charged with stealing and a couple of other charges. The same charges were given to Madam Gifty Oware. Now, this is Madam Gifty Oware's own. She there, count 1, stealing contrary to section 124, the same thing, but her own is that between February 2022 and March 2024, she dishonestly appropriated the sum of 31,502,091 Ghana cedis, 40 pesos, the property of the National Service Authority, by causing the money to be transferred to blocks of life consorts on her behalf. Also, willfully causing financial loss to the state. And they are saying that between February 2022 and March 2024, she willfully caused the loss of 31,502,091 Ghana cedis, 40 pesos, which is to the Republic, by causing the said amount to be transferred to blocks of life. That's the EINA. They are giving her willfully causing financial loss. Also, count 3, willfully causing financial loss. Between February 2022 and March 2024, she willfully caused financial loss in a sum of 6,956,157 Ghana cedis and 47 pesos to the Republic by causing interest of the said amount to be charged by the ADB, that's the Agricultural Development Bank, on the loan of 31,502,091 Ghana cedis and 40 pesos. No, that they sent to the blocks of life consort. This is the interest that was on it. Also, using public office for profits contrary to section 176C of the Criminal Act, using her position to cause profit for herself. Count 5, money laundering. The fact that she could send money from here to here to here to here, all these things. And that's why right now, her boss, 500,000 Ghana cedis, and she herself 30. Right now is 31 plus 31 and coins, 31 million and coins plus 6 million interest and coins, all coming together to form 38 million. So right now, the two of them, they are going to face the full rigors of the law. Now, I'm very sure the Attorney General has done proper investigation to give us all this information. And it's high time we saw people it's high time we saw people go through, face punishment for whatever action that they've done. If someone goes to steal yam, the person goes inside. If someone goes to steal car, the person goes inside. If someone goes to steal air condition, the person goes inside. What about someone who steals 31 million Ghana cedis? We are here. Share your views in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Interesting. So in case you don't know what happened, this is all that happened. Ghost names. They've used that one as collateral to go and take loan. And they use that loan, spread it so that the NSS will pay. Because the NSS, what they do is that if the money, before the money will come to you, they will deduct the higher purchase money set from it. So if your money is 700 cedis and your higher purchase things is 500 cedis, before the money will hit your account, it's only 200 that will come. It's not like your 700 will come and they will tell you that come and pay. No, they will deduct it. So they've gone for loan because they want their own in tempera. They don't want it monthly. Boom, at once, 31 million from ADB. So that when every month, when NSS is sending, then the 9,000 names, they will send their one straight to ADB. Straight to... People do things so. Share your views in the comment section. But this is the account that the Attorney General of Ghana, Dr. Dominic Ayine, gave to the public. And this, now you have it. Share your views in the comment section.
I don't know. Watch other videos on this channel. Tell somebody about Headless. Yeah,